How to fix TikTok account not being recommended on Android. This tutorial shows you how to improve your account's chances of getting recommended on TikTok. First, open TikTok on your Android device. Tap on Profile at the bottom right. From there, tap the three lines at the top right and tap on Settings and Privacy. At this point, tap on Privacy. Make sure your account is set to public. If it is set to private, switch it to public so your content can be recommended to others. After that, go back to Settings and Privacy and tap on Content Preferences. From there, make sure your content is not restricted to a limited audience. In the next step, go back and tap on Time and Well-being. From there, check if screen time or restricted mode is enabled. If so, turn it off, as it can limit your content reach. Once done, go back to your profile and make sure your account has a profile picture, a bio, and a username that is clean and complete. At this stage, avoid posting content that goes against TikTok community guidelines, as violations can suppress your account from recommendations. From here, make sure you are engaging consistently. Liking, commenting, and posting regularly signals to TikTok that your account is active. Keep in mind, if your account is newly created, it may take some time before TikTok starts recommending your content to a wider audience. Finally, if your account is still not being recommended, open the Play Store, search for TikTok, and tap on Update if one is available. Keeping the app updated ensures you are not missing any algorithm or visibility fixes. And that's it. If this guide helped you fix your TikTok account not being recommended, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.